get no sleep, and he talks to me. He's wandering around the house to figure out why he counts no future. So for a man, camel blood, the sunset and in the dust, that brought his fields and killed his dog. Oh, my sorrows will be over soon, promise me. So maybe tomorrow I'll be on my way. New rider in town. I left his lands and went deep into the bush and plains, but kept his eyes wide open and the fingers on the trigger. He walked through town like a ghost on horseback in a dusky road. So the man in the bar, he grabbed the gun to shoot him down. Oh, my sorrows will be over soon, promise me. Maybe tomorrow I'll be on my way. New rider in town. The church bells ringing, but nothing can stop the calm before the storm. Only corpses can help bring him peace of mind. But revenge closes your heart. Revenge closes your heart. Goes away like whispers between the hills, and everyone talks about him as any rider in town.